Crispy bits of bacon, crunchy fresh lettuce, bits of shredded cheese in a creamy dressing. Lunch just got more delicious. Okay, so today's meal idea isn't really a recipe. As somebody that typically makes videos here with recipe, it feels like a cop-out, but it's not. You see, I'm here at the studio filming other videos and we have a bunch of baked goods and a pasta recipe that I'm gonna bring home for dinner. And then I looked around and realized that unless I let the video team dig into my stash of food, I need to make something. And we all love bacon and salads, and we don't usually eat sandwiches for lunch, unless we decide to make an epic grilled cheese sandwich like the ones in this video. So this BLT salad with a creamy avocado ranch dressing is going to be our lunch today. You can find the recipe for the avocado ranch dressing right below this video. We had made some for another video, so I'm going to link it right below. I like to finely shred my lettuce for this salad, but you can just buy some pre-chopped romaine, fill your bowl, and call it a day. I have some Roma tomatoes that I finely chopped that I'm going to put over the lettuce. As far as cheese, I like mozzarella, and you can use small mozzarella cubes, or because we just made a video for an epic pizza, also below, I'm going to just sprinkle it right over the lettuce. I cooked 6 pieces of bacon earlier, let them cool a little, and now I'm just going to coarsely chop them. Over the top it goes, and this makes the basic bacon, lettuce, and tomato bowl. But wait, it gets better. Even though we're going to drizzle some of my famous avocado ranch dressing, I can't not add an avocado because, you know, when in doubt, add some avocado. So I'm just going to put some over the top of my salad and now drizzle my dressing right over the top. Doesn't this look amazing? Incredible, right? Simple, delicious, and good enough to eat any day of the week. If you love simple ideas like this one and easy recipes that will get you cooking during the week, subscribe to this channel. A new recipe comes out every single week. See you next time.